Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the role of ethical committees in research. So ethical committees, often known as institutional review boards in the US or research ethics committees in other countries. So they play a key role in the research. So the main function of the ethical committees is to ensure that research involving human participants is conducted in an ethical and responsible manner. And some of the key responsibilities of the ethical committees in research include reviewing the research proposals, protecting participants' rights, informed consent, risk-benefit assessment, privacy and confidentiality, vulnerable populations, ethical training and education, monitoring and reporting, compliance with regulations, decision making, public trust and accountability. So these are the different roles of the ethical committees in research. So now let us see each role in detail. So first one is the reviewing research proposals. So a ethical committee consists of the experts from different fields. Okay, so they will assess they will consider a research proposal and they will assess the ethical and scientific aspects of that particular research study. Okay, so that's why the research proposal that we are proposing to the committee must be well designed and it follows all the ethical standards. So next one is protecting participants' rights. So in your research, so some participants may be participating voluntarily. So we have to protect the rights and welfare of the research participants. So to ensure that participants are treated with respect, that their autonomy is upheld and that their rights are not violated. So next one is the informed consent. The researchers must obtain informed and voluntary consent from participants. So they have to explain the consent documents for the participants in a clear manner. And risk-benefit assessment. So the researcher has to explain the risk and benefits of the research. So next one is the privacy and confidentiality. Committees review how researchers plan to protect the privacy and confidentiality of participants. They ensure that personal information and data are handled appropriately and securely. So next one is the vulnerable populations. So in society there will be some of the vulnerable populations such as children, elderly individuals, prisoners, people with cognitive impairments. Okay. So the ethical committees will pay special attention to research involving these vulnerable populations. So researchers must ensure that these groups are adequately protected. So next one is the ethical training and education. So the ethical committees will provide some guidance and training to the researchers on ethical principles for the ethical principles and best practices. So next one is the monitoring and reporting. So ethical committees require researchers to provide ongoing updates of the research and progress of their study and report every aspect of the research to the ethical committee. Compliance with regulations. So committees will check whether the research work done by the researcher is complying with the national and international regulations or not. So next one is the decision making. So committees, the research committees may accept the proposal of a researcher or they may ask the researcher to modify the proposal or they may reject the proposal or they may hold the proposal. Okay, so the ethical committee is having the freedom to take any of the decisions and the researcher must accept that decision and he has to apply that modifications. So next one is the public trust. The ethical committees play a crucial role in maintaining public trust in research. Research is conducted with integrity and the well-being of participants is a top priority. The last one is accountability. Committees serve as a mechanism for the accountability of the researchers. They ensure that research is conducted in accordance with ethical standards and hold researchers accountable for any other ethical breaches. So this is the role of the ethical committees in research. Thanks for watching my video.